Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Intelia Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was having problems with the steamer, and customer reported that there was a slow steam coming out of the steamer and it wasn't working the way it's supposed to. So we're gonna be testing it, starting with a little bit of water. For this steamer we just have to basically unclog it, run a bunch of water to it to want to make cleaner, disassemble the whole thing and clean it. As you can see, for hot water we're having a nice steady stream coming out of the one the way it's supposed to. There are no leaks coming out from here or anything in there. Let's stop it and let's do the steam. Let's use the steamer. We're also checking over here. This is the solenoid valve. This is basically what passes steam through here. This one opens up, steam passes through here, and it goes out through there. As you can see, coming out of the one. There's no leak coming out of any place of the steamer line. In place of the thermal block or nothing like that. And as you can see, the steamer is having a nice pressure, working the way it's supposed to. Nice steam, working great. Good morning. Now we're gonna be doing coffee just to test the machine. The grinder doesn't work if you don't have the cover, and as you can see we're having everything open, so we need to kind of pull it, but right now it's grinding the way it's supposed to, and we're gonna be testing the coffee functions of the machine. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Really good crema forming on top as well. The noise that you hear right over here is from the brew unit. We will have to deep clean it and replace some of those O-rings in order to. We will have to service the brew unit to remove that noise. But besides that, as you can see, the machine did a really good job. Excellent crema, really great steam, and the packs, as you can see right here, nice round and just the way they're supposed to look. So there you have it, Saeco Intelia having the steamer working once again. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.